Hello guys, Stepford here in Roblox in SCR 2.2.1. I'm going to Stepford Central with this boy plus 398. So already making here for the challenge bridge.
Ellesmere Junction. Calling at Robinson Way, Greenslade, Denton Road, Berriy, Ellesmere Junction, Ellesmere Pond.
Yes, we're rather Robinson Way. I'm not getting it.
St Helens Bridge, High Street, Stepford East, Four Ways.
Yeah, it's still a tram.
Stepford Central.
But in reality,
Robinson
this boy
Way.
is still a tram,
Please
right?
mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Still a tram, idiot.
This is a metro service to Stepford Central.
Platform 1 for the 15:21 Metro service to Stepford Central via Ellesmere Junction. Calling at Greenslade, Denton Road, Berriy, Ellesmere Junction,
Oh, shoot,
This station is
New Harrow,
Robinson Way.
St Helens Bridge,
This
High
train
Street,
is for
Stepford East,
Stepford Central.
Four Ways.
The
and
next station will
Stepford
be
Central.
Greenslade.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
I'm literally riding to Berriy instead. Which is the station? Just kidding, just kidding. This is where this train changed into a tram. This is the moment when we have to depart from Berriy. This tram changed into a train.
service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Greenslade. We are now approaching Greenslade. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Arriving at Greenslade. So you know it's really this way for some reason. Yeah, this is where the water line terminal is, right? Oh my god, it just departed.
Benton
Huh?
Bender Street,
Oh,
Stepford East, Four Ways.
Stepford Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
that Greenslade.
Your attention, please.
This station is
15,
Greenslade.
45.
This train
Service
is
from
for
Stepford Bay
Stepford Central.
has been cancelled.
The next
This
station
is
will
due
be
to a
Denton
member of
Road.
the train crew being unavailable.
We are now approaching Denton Road. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Departed from
This is a metro
Greenslade.
service
The
to
next station
Stepford
is
Central.
Denton Road. So we already departed from Greenslade. The next station is Berriy Denton Road. Oh shoot! Wait. Literally did. Okay, I think it just made an emergency brake. Okay, so this. Never mind. Plan cancelled. Never mind. Plan cancelled. Never mind. The challenge has been literally just cancelled for some reason. The train literally just got destroyed. For what? But never mind. The journey ends at Greenslade, but
Please.
never mind.
The
Never mind.
39 Metro service to Willowfield has been cancelled.
It got cancelled for
This
what?
is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
This motherfucker. It got surely got despawned, but never mind. Is there any freaking trains? Platform D to Stepford Bay? That's a good idea. I kind of have a big problem for some reason. I'm gonna ride the train to Stepford Bay.
Leighton Stepford Road.
Yeah,
Leighton City.
yeah, from St. Helens
Wester Coast.
Bridge,
Lynn by the Sea.
from High Street to
This train
St.
is
Helens
formed of 7
Bridge.
coaches.
Okay.
First class is located at the front of the train.
I better have time language for some reason.
The train now
For some
approaching
reason.
platform 6 terminates here.
Yeah. No, it literally has to make
This is a platform alteration.
The 15:30 service from Leighton City will now arrive on platform 2. The train now approaching platform 2 terminates here. This train is the service from Leighton City.
Yeah, they literally land within 2.3.
Attention, please.
They now have a platform alteration now.
33.
How?
Metro service to Stepford
How?
UFC has been
One
cancelled.
question, why the hell is that?
This is due to a member of the train crew
Okay,
being
I have a
unavailable.
Why is the fast closed?
The
Just kidding. Why is this
45
freaking buffet coach
service from Lynn by the Sea
not open?
is delayed by
Why is
approximately
going on with the buffet
7
coach? Is the
minutes.
door broken?
We are sorry that your
How?
journey will take
How?
longer than
How?
planned. The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here.
Dude, like, what happened to the buffet coach? What happened to the buffet coach in that guy? How's the person supposed to open this shit?
37.
For what?
Service
It's
from
not supposed to-
Morganstown has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew
Yeah,
being
I think
unavailable.
coach used to be a buffet. But what the hell is this shit?
The train now standing
I
at
think this guy
platform 2 is the
Oh my
15
god.
Stepford Express.
No,
Service
come
to
on, come on.
Benton
No problem.
at Benton.
Oh,
This train is formed of
okay.
5
I think there's
coaches.
power in there.
First
It's
class
like
is
downtown.
located at the rear of the train. The train now standing at platform 6 is the 1531 Stepford Connect
And those
service
are the
to
ones that step the bay.
by the Sea via Berriy.
Literally, I have to
Calling
make
at
a bit.
Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berriy, Morganstown, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Millcastle, West Wyvern,
There you go.
North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Oh, okay, the platform changed.
The train now standing at platform 4 is the
5032 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City via Benton. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City.
This is
This train is
Stepford
formed
Central.
of 5 coaches.
This train terminates here. All
The
change, please.
15
Thank you for travelling with us today.
service from Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Your attention, please. The 1535 Metro service to Stepford UFC has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The 15:43 service from Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 9 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
I don't have to make the title of this video is as Stepford Berriy right from I kind of think that's the title from Whitney Grain to Berriy, but train to Spawn and to Stepford Bay plus platform alteration. Dang it! Got
The
delayed.
train now approaching platform 8. Terminates here. This train is the service from Hampton Hargate.
Oh my god. That's the class 700 I meant. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, we have to check when the train in the class 700 arrives. Here comes the class 700. Here comes the money of the class 700. Yes, the class 700 who have brought back from the grave. They just dug this train up. Yes, they brought this train back. This guy is back.
Unavailable.
We're not riding this yet. But we're not riding this yet. For some reason the train had to stop here. Dude. Oh my god. So if you're at this point, you have a free transfer down the stairs.
This train terminates here. Your attention, please. The 15:36 service from Stepford East has been cancelled. This is due to
What a
a member of the
stupid
train
idiot.
crew being unavailable.
Dude,
Platform D for the
finally
15:32 metro service
the
to
service is Stepford Bay.
Stepford Bay,
Finally, we are going to
Calling
Stepford
at
Bay. Dead
City
video.
Hospital, Beachley, Cadoxton, and Stepford Bay. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
Yes, please stop at this place. Please,
The
please.
train now standing
Come on.
at
Oh, hell no.
platform 8 is the
Here it is.
50:37
Yeah.
Stepford
This station is
Shit.
Stepford Central.
via
Shit.
Berriy,
This train is for
calling at
Stepford Bay.
Stepford East,
The next station will be
So,
City
I'm not riding
Hospital.
for some reason.
Berriy, Morganstown, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road,
Yes.
Leighton City, Edgemead, Millcastle, West Wyvern. This is North Stepford Central and Lynn by the Sea, Willowfield. Due to a short platform, passengers for Ellesmere Junction.
This is a metro service to Stepford Bay.
Dude.
Calling
Ellesmere
at
Junction is short.
City
for
Hospital,
Oh my.
Beachley, Cadoxton, and Stepford Bay.
Yes, Stepford Bay. I've
The
done
next station will be City Hospital.
Yes. Go this challenge.
We are now approaching City Hospital. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Guys, as you know that we are riding at City Hospital, that this tramway is literally broken. You know what? We are stuck at the red signal because of this freaking class 385. Mike, get out of our way, idiot! Okay, the class 385 blocked that way, so it had to be caused some bit of delays. Because that freaking class 385 is a sucker. We are literally almost there. Please change signal. The signal change. Dude! Go. Okay, it's moving, it's moving! Okay, I think I have to cause some delays. Yeah, I don't even know. It really has some bit of delays, but never mind.
And Stepford Bay. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
No, we are literally broken here now. And we missed the car marker.
This station is City Hospital. This train is for Stepford Bay. The next station will be Beachley.
Okay. Here's our closing. Let's go transport for Stepford City Hospital. Yeah, it sounds of the horn is beep beep. For some reason, that this dude is literally trying to step it by. Are you freaking idiot?
This is a metro service to Stepford Bay.
You're running a Beachley. The beacon settings had been removed right now.
We are now approaching Beachley.
What the hell?
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Class 398 had passed by us. For some reason, the train that we're on is the class 398 double. But that's the class 398, but this is the 398 double. And the train that passed us is a tram 398.
Stepford Bay. Calling at
But I'm on the
Cadoxton
tram
Stepford Bay. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
I actually own the class 398. Power changeover electric. In the moment I have to change heads.
This station
The other
is
side.
Beachley.
Here.
This train is for
Here.
Stepford Bay.
Change.
The next station will be Cadoxton.
Go! I literally have had to go with running for some reason. I literally missed.
This is a platform alteration.
Oh my gosh.
This is a metro service to
42
Stepford Bay.
metro service to
The next station will
Whitney
be
Green.
Cadoxton.
Will now depart from platform 3. Platform 3 for the 1542 metro service to Whitney Green
No.
via Barton,
Let's get to
Calling
bottom
out.
instead.
City Hospital,
The moment I have to get off.
Stepford Central,
Go! Yes.
4
Oh my
ways,
god, that was a close call.
Stepford East, High Street,
Train.
St Helens Bridge,
Trying to listen
Angel
to this
Pass, Bowden,
This station is
Newtown,
Beachley.
Barton,
Yeah.
This train
Go
is for
Denton Road,
Whitney Green.
Slade,
Go is the
Robinson
The next station will be
and
City
Whitney
Hospital.
Green.
But although we are really
This
on the
train
wheel
is
of the
formed
I'm
of
not
6
doing it.
coaches.
I'm gonna have to look at the wheel at
This
least.
is a platform alteration.
Oh my god.
The 15.
Oh my god.
3. Metro service to Stepford Bay will now depart from platform 2. Platform 2 for the 1543 metro service to Stepford Bay. Calling at Cadoxton and Stepford Bay. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This station is Beachley. This train is for Stepford Bay. The next station will be Cadoxton.
Yeah, so the Class 398 that was going to Stepford Bay. And there's a special note here. So I missed the class. Someone's going that.
This is a platform alteration. B5044.
This is a metro service to Stepford Bay. Calling at Cadoxton and Stepford Bay.
Man, take down the
The
pack.
next station will be Cadoxton.
Yeah, we have to slow down at this moment. It's a red signal, so the tram Class 398 that I just missed right there. Maybe I just missed that boy. The reason is literally I was tweaking. But the thing is that this guy had to take down his pantograph. Is the pantograph lower down? Yes. It's lower down for some reason. Finally, no emergency brakes. Oh, what is this stuffy pantograph? Yeah, this is the moment where the electrified is there. How do I steal a train? But I want to cross the United States. It's still there. Oh no, the train. The goal is to get to Stepford Bay. I
We
don't
are now approaching Cadoxton.
like trains.
Please mind the gap between the train and the
The
platform.
trains like the class 756 or the class 398. I was wrong with the 8. I was trying to go do the class 398. But due to this, for some reason, I missed it. So I had to go, and I'm done with this. I'm going to class 756 instead. Dude, we're stuck with red signal because of class 398. That is freaking missed. Holy cow.
Order 5045. Metro service to Stepford Bay. Calling at Stepford Bay only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Bro, they know how to shop at Capital.
This station is Cadoxton. This train is for Stepford Bay. The next station will be Stepford Bay.
We're on the arrive at Stepford Bay. That was literally added to the snake fake. Although it's Stepford Gate, no, it's
We
Stepford
are
Bay.
now approaching
Yes,
Stepford Bay.
approaching Stepford Bay.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is a metro service to Stepford Bay.
The train now approaching platform 2. Terminates here. This train is the service from Beachley.
This station is Stepford Bay. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us.
The train now standing at
Guys, so I'm at Stepford Bay right now, which is the terminal station of Metro. This is the goal of this where I literally have to go at. So shut up my ass, my grandma's mouth. For some reason, shut up. So reasonably, the thing is at the end, goodbye. Thanks for playing, guys. Goodbye.
attention, please.